Alright, so here we are grilling some fajitas. Mather's Campground, Grand Canyon. We got the veggies going now. So what I end up doing is I'll grill all the veggies first. I'll take them off, put them back in that bowl right there. Then I'll get the meat all going good, and then I'll put the veggies back in with the meat, stir it up, mix it all up good, and we're good to go. Got a little fire going. Women sitting over there by the fire staying warm while I cook. We do have the generator running because we are in the generator hours, so that we can cook whatever my wife's gonna have going on over there in that pan. Plus, we'll end up using the microwave to warm up some cheese dip. Alright, so as of right now, I have grilled the veggies, took them off. Now I got some chicken, some steak that we're working on. Once this gets done, I will add the veggies back to it, and we'll end up having us some fajitas. With this little bitty griddle, which is what comes with the GoPro 15 TB. This is kind of how you have to do it, but actually, really and truly, this is how I do it at home too. I'll grill the veggies, then I'll do the meat, then I'll add the veggies back to it, and we'll be good to go. So, when you're doing food for an army on fajitas, well, we're only not an army, but 4 of us. Just know that this will happen. As you're flipping stuff, trying to, on this griddle with the GoPro 15 TB, you might lose a couple pieces like this. That's alright. Just be aware. We're getting close to having to add the veggies back to the meat to get it all back to temperature and turn it into fajitas. Alright, so I just added the veggies, aka bell peppers and onions, to the meat to warm them all back up with the meat. And then we will warm up some of the tortillas. So, while I've been over there cooking the fajitas, the wife's been over here cooking up some rice off of our electric skillet, running off of my generator. Alright, so I've been cooking the veggies in with the meat, and we're about ready to pull that off of here. I'll put it in that bowl right there, which did have nothing but the veggies in it from before while they were marinating. And then I'll warm up some tortillas over here on this griddle, and we will be ready to eat dinner.